Welcome to my presentation. Let's see about telecommunication industry. Telecommunication is the exchange of signals, messages or other information through wire, radio or other electromagnetic systems. In early days, telecommunication is mostly done through voice, but today it is totally opposite. It is mostly done through messages, emails, images and videos. This huge growth comes from the various services provided by the mobile networks. Telecommunication industry in India. India is the world's second largest telecommunication market. It has a subscriber base of 1.2 billion. And this industry is also one of the top 5 employment opportunity generator. In the first 3 months of 2019, 4.8 billion downloads of mobile applications were registered. In world, the major players are AT&T, Vodafone, Abroad Studio, Telstra and China Mobile. In India, the major telecom players are Jio, Airtel, BSNL and in August 2018, Idea and Vodafone were merged. Market share. Jio holds the highest market share of 31%, followed by Airtel with 30%, Vodafone Idea with 29% and BSNL has the least market share of 10%. SWOT analysis. Strength. India has the large number of customers. It has world's second large number of customers. And by 2020, the economic value is expected to be $217 billion. And India is one of the largest data consumers. And a good telecom infrastructure. The telecom players are working on good infrastructure for the best customer experience. And the weakness of telecom industry. Decreasing profits. Price war among telecom players. For example, Airtel and Jio, there is only little amount of price variations. This leads to declining of overall profits. Lack of infrastructure. Still, infrastructure is poor in rural areas compared to the urban cities. Late adaptation of 4G and wireless technologies. 4G came in 2009, but India adapted only in 2012 and it is also very less amount of people. So India were very late to the 4G. And the price variations. Some differences between the telecom players like Vodafone, BSNL. It is also one of the weakness. Opportunities of telecom industry. There is a wide scope for broadband penetration and increase in the internet users. And if the data cost were decreased, there is a chance of 500 million new internet users. And a rural market. A rural market is increasing. 44.6% of total wireless subscribers are from rural market. There is a chance for the telecom players to get into the international market. Threats of this industry. Competitions. Number of operators are increasing. So the competition also increasing. Price war. Price war among telecom operators. For example, Airtel and Jio. 5G. 5G first came in Korea in April 2018, but still India does not adapt it. It is also one of the threat and challenge for them. Under pestle analysis. Political factors. The Indian government plans to cut the license fees by 33% for the operators and relax the FDI norms for getting more investment and also to increase the economic value. And the main goal of National Digital Communication Policy 2018 is to create additional 4 million jobs through the sector. This policy also concentrates on affordable digital communication services, and good infrastructure. Economical factors. The GST rate for the sector is 18%. It is somewhat high than the other industries. And the telecom sector has grown 7% from the last decade. And the sector is also one of the fast moving sector. Social factors. The main reason for this huge growth is increasing young population and the changing lifestyle, and the variety of services provided by the networks such as digital television, high speed internet services, and various social applications for game, education, uh, editing, photo editing, video editing, and a variety of applications are available, and it connects people very easily. But sometimes um, people are not aware about which is true information or which is false information, because there is a lot of information available on the internet. And the technological factors, increasing data usage. Before some years we get 1 GB data per month, but today we use 1 to 1.5 GB per data. And the SIM card facilities. SIM cards are reduced to nano size. And video conferencing facilities for online classes, business meet, and many more. The Indian government has taken steps towards the development of India, such as smart city projects, Make in India, and Digital India. And the 4G services led to huge development of voice, video, and data. Legal factors. The legal framework covers various services like internet, voicemail, satellite communications, e-commerce, broadcasting services, etc. The legal framework is provided by the Indian Telegraph Act, Wireless Telegraphy Act, Telegraph Files Act. The National Telecom Policy 2012 concentrated on rural teledensity, domestic manufacturing, and ensure connectivity in uncovered areas. Environmental factors. Um, though the mobile network has lot of usage, there are some environmental problems, because the unnecessary radio waves emitted over the network cause air pollutions, and it also causes serious health issues. It causes it is harmful to both the environment as well as our health, and there is no proper and systematic installation. ISO 14004 2004 provides guidelines for the proper implementation and the management system. Growth rate. The wireless market segment is high. It has 98.17% of total subscribers. And India holds the world's highest data usage per smartphone, at an average of 9.8 GB per month. And by 2024, it is expected to double by 18 GB. Subscribers as of 2019. 56.58% subscribers are from urban market, and 43.42% subscribers are from rural market. Under network usage, there is only less amount of people use 3G. Only 6.83% people use 3G, and 92.56% of people use 4G in the first quarter of 2020. Challenges of telecom industry. Adaptations and developing solutions. Mm, and the competitions from the top companies. For examples, Jio and BSNL. And development of 5G is one of the major challenge. Still, India did not adapted it. And the major challenge is the protection of data of the customers, because the issues related to hacking are increasing day by day. It is one of the major responsibility of the mobile networks to protect the data. And advantages of telecom industry. People can communicate anytime, anywhere. It also helps in the working place. We can get information anytime. And the 4G helps us to for speed data retrieval. It saves our time and cost. It also supports economic development. And the data costs are reduced compared to the previous years. And many features have upgraded, like a GPS, Wi-Fi, screen sharing, and many more. Disadvantages: it eliminates face-to-face contact, and information hacking and attacks are also one of the major problems. And because of electromagnetic radiations, health issues may occur. And nowadays, people become more dependent on the internet to take information. Still, in rural areas, people uh, find it difficult to get internet connection. And the GST rate of the telecom industry was high compared to the other sectors. Future of telecom industry. Revenues from the telecom equipment sector are expected to grow $26.4 billion by 2020. And the number of internet subscribers also expected to double by 829 million by 2021. And our Indian government is planning to develop smart city projects. And the conclusion: the telecom sector has the high historical growth, but there is some competition among the telecom players. And one of my suggestions is the industry can concentrate more on rural areas so that they also get benefited more. And the industry can create more employment opportunities. Thank you.